Guys, the market is going absolutely crazy here recently and today. And I have been waiting for something very specific to happen. And that thing actually is happening right in front of my eyes right now. So today, guys, I am going to show you exactly what I am going to do. I'm going to show you how I am going to play the market right now. I am also going to talk about all of the important things you need to know if you are in crypto at all. So yeah, very important stuff to talk about today, guys. Make sure to stick around. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So like I said, what I've been waiting for is happening in front of our eyes. And really, the market has been going absolutely crazy here the last 24 hours, but really also recently the last week or so. A lot of people have been watching my videos, and you know that I've been entering into very specific trading setups down here, and they have been very good. So they have all been in the green. Now in today's video, I am going to show you the next move that I'm gonna make. Now if you've been watching my videos, you already know about it, but I will talk more about the exact details. But before I do, guys, as you know, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. I am just showing you what I'm personally doing, and I am giving you my outlook for the market. But everything should be considered entertainment. But yeah, how we're looking right now, guys, in general for my trading strategies is that everything is going really good. I'm up more than 1 mil here in the green, and also the bull market portfolio is finally starting to really go nuts here, up more than almost 40k here in the green. So that is all great. And remember, the bull market portfolio, these are all on 3x. So yeah, we can do a lot of very good things here with the bull market, but I will get back into this here in a little bit. First, let us quickly look at Bitcoin, and I believe that Bitcoin is going to continue. By the way, I posted a video on my main channel today, so make sure to go back and watch that video. By the time you watch this video, the main channel will already be live. So make sure to go back and watch that one where I talk about the broader market. But overall, I think Bitcoin is going to continue. We do have a massive breakout here looking for Ethereum. I talked about exactly what I'm expecting here. But overall, the trades I'm taking right now, you can see Solana is approaching the 169 level here as well. The trades that I am taking right now is actually here for Pepe. There's a couple of things I want to do. First, I want to enter into an individual trade here. As you know, guys, I've been saying that I'm waiting for us to clear the orange line here, to be above the orange line, because from a risk to reward standpoint, this is, even though yes, we're at a higher price, but from a risk to reward standpoint, it makes more sense for me to wait until we actually break above this point. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter a trade right now, and I am going to take first 50% profit here once we go up to this point, which is 1392, which is about 9% gain. And then the next 50% I will take here at 1690, which is going to be a 32%. So this is like a 10x leverage. So that is what I am going to be doing right now. So I'm going to do this right now on VX. And by the way, guys, if you don't have a VX account, you can go down to the description of this video right now. You're able to get amazing opportunities here on VX, very good bonuses. But click on this link right here, and it's gonna give you a nice deposit bonus and some nice information about how you can claim those. But let me go back here to Pepe. So to VX, Pepe, there we have it. Let me show you. So here we go. So I'm gonna do a market order right now for I'm gonna do 100k here for Pepe. So that means that it's gonna cost me this is 20x leverage. I'm not gonna do 20x leverage, guys. Be careful with leverage. I'm always doing maximum 10 unless it's a very specific strategy, but leverage can wreck you. So you have to be careful with that. But I'm gonna do 10 right now for Pepe. So we have market order here. And then you have the market price, and then I'm gonna do what did I say, 100k, which means that it should cost me 10k. Okay, so there we go. And some people might think that this is crazy because even though on lower time frames here on the 4 hourly, we are we are at resistance on the 4 hourly, as you can see even right here. But the more important thing for me is that we are breaking above it on the daily time frame, and the most important thing is that we're breaking above it on the orange line here. So I believe that we're gonna go up to this point first, the second orange line, and then the third orange line. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pepe, there we go. So there we have the order. So 100K, and then 50K will be taking profit. Where did I say? At 1397. So let me put the first one at 1397. Where do I do it? Here we have it. We're gonna do 50% at the price of there we go, 0.01397. Okay, there we go. So that will be a 70% gain. So let's do that. Boom. And then we are going to do the rest at, I'm going to do it at 1690. So the rest of the 50%, 1690. So that will be 50.1690. So 50% there. And the gain will be, it should be able to tell me here. Okay, it's not for some reason. Why is it not giving me the gain here? Okay, I'm not sure, but let's put this here. 1690. There we go. What? Did I do something wrong? 0.01690. Okay, now it works. I have no idea what happened the previous time, but okay. So this is gonna be about 295% here. So it's a bit of a longer term trade, guys. Yes, it is a longer term trade, but yeah, let us now do this. So there we go. So now I have both of the TPs added here, and now I'm just gonna let this thing do its thing. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I will continue to update you as always. Now, if we come down lower, what I'm gonna do is I will actually also add more, but at much lower prices at the swing low here. So, I mean, if the trade goes against me, then I will be adding more here at 879. So that's a 30% drop. But yeah, for now, this is looking good. And also for my trading strategies, I am going to do something as well. So first thing I want to talk about is with the trading strategies, and I will add the Pepe. I will just do this, and then I will add the information once I close here. But for everyone using the trading strategies, the ranges are going to be heavily updated the next few days. And what I will go ahead and do for XRP as well is I will update the trading strategies here for XRP. Now in my bull market portfolio, we have the new settings. So if you go to my settings here, you have the link in the description. You can see 5.37 is the upper range for XRP. And I do have it in the bull market portfolio. You can see it if I go down to XRP, you can see the XRP is here at 5.37, but I don't have it for my dynamic strategy. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna edit the, and this is typically like, unfortunately, this is like a mistake by me. I should have updated this, of course, on the main dynamic strategy when I edited the main range. But for some reason, I missed to do that. So I'm gonna do that right now, guys. I'm gonna edit, so it's 1.17. I don't want it to be that low, really. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna wait here. I'm gonna update this with a new range, and I'm gonna update it live here in the XRP sheet. So we're gonna do the upper range 5.37. That was the upper range, right? Yes. And then we're gonna do the lower range, actually 1.89. And then if you look at the amount of grids here, 395, we're gonna change it also to the new amount of grids, 395. So if you've been using, go and check if you're using the XRP strategy, if what kind of range you have. This is the range I'm gonna use right now for the, and I'm gonna update this now in the sheet as well. So there we go. And I am going to make all of this text, or just this text red to show that I've edited it. So there we go. So now I am going to do that. So there we go. Here I can choose to reinvest or not. It's up to you. But for as you know, with the dynamic strategies here, I am never reinvesting with the dynamic strategies. But with the bull market portfolio and the 100x challenge, I am doing it. But these ones are just to show you over time how much gains we can actually do. So there we go. And now I've edited the price range, and the profits is still here. And And yeah, we will see, guys, what comes out of this. As always, I'm going to update you. But now it has the new range. But I'm going to go ahead and do this for most of the coins in this document during the next few days, guys. So you need to, if you're using any of these ones, if you want to use it for any of these ones, go to the document and check all of the ranges that I am using. This last thing I will want to do in this video, so we already entered into the Pepe strategy here, or sorry, the Pepe trade. I edited the range for XRP. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna add also a little bit more to Pepe here, because I do think that Pepe is gonna do well. So it is gonna be, I think it's gonna flip at some point. It is going to flip most of the other meme coins. So I'm gonna add just a little bit here, another, let's say 20. I want to add another 40. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take out some margin here. So there we go. I'm gonna take out 20 here. So boom, just to free up some more funds, and then I will add it here. So there we go. Boom. So now the Pepe strategy is actually pretty big. It is 100K here with 10x, sorry, 3x leverage. So it is the biggest position I have in the bull market portfolio, but we will see if that's going to be good or not, guys. As always, I'm completely transparent. Some of these trades have not been doing so good recently or so far. Like Render is still down, OM is down significantly, but we knew, and I knew that, and I said it when I opened this one also, OM was a big risk. But yeah, that is what we have, and we'll see if this is going to recover. But yeah, overall, the bull market portfolio is doing really well, and I do think that Pepe is going to hold up the majority of the gains here. So guys, if you want to use my bull market or like my trading strategies, go down to the description of this video right now. You have the Pionix sign up link right here, and then you can click on this link to claim amazing bonuses. And then you have my main coins in my portfolio, and then you have the rest of the coins in my bull market portfolio, and also you have Pepe here. If you want to use it, you have at the top link here. Make sure to watch the tutorials. If you want to enter into individual trades, you do have the links here as well. For VX, I'm using VX currently for this Pepe trade, so I'm very exposed to Pepe right now. But yeah, go to the description of this video and sign up to these exchanges if you are an experienced trader and you want to also potentially use these platforms. So that is what I got for you today, guys. We're gonna take full advantage. Make sure to go back to the main channel and also watch today's general update video. And guys, I will see you in the next one.